Hello guys, welcome to another video on WP Blogger. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix insecure content on your WordPress site. So you have a WordPress site and your padlock is being displayed like this, as you can see from here. Let me draw over here and show you this one. And it's showing that parts of your page are insecure. Then you are at the right place. This is the video for you. We are going to solve this problem. Before we get started into how to do this, please subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. Smash the like button, give the video the thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Also, if you have any questions, feedback, or suggestions, leave them in the comment box below. I do well to answer all questions on this channel. Now let's get into the details. This is the website we've been using for the tutorials on this channel, wptoolsguide.com. We are not having a mixed insecure content warning here like we saw here and in this image, but then I am going to show you how you can resolve this in case you start getting some of these warnings. All you have to do is hover on your plugins and click add new. If you don't know how to install a new WordPress plugin, I have a video made for that. Click on it and check out that video. Once you click on add new, it will bring you to this page. Search for SSL and we will receive different SSL plugins. The one I highly recommend is Really Simple SSL. This one, as you can see in this video. So just click on install now and hit activate. Now let's activate SSL. So we have our SSL enabled here. SSL is now activated. You can check the site. We have it here. So let's dismiss this one. Don't forget to change your settings in Google Analytics and Search Console. That is, if we were not having SSL enabled, we have to now enter our domain as HTTPS. So let's also disable this option or that notification. The WordPress 301 redirect enabled. We recommend this one. We can either dismiss it or enable it. Now let's try enabling it. So let's enable it from here. Let's save the settings. Okay, 301 redirect enabled. Let's click save settings here. Okay, this is just a notification. Let's just dismiss this. And now our site is 90% secure. These two requires premium version of the plugin, but we don't need that. We are okay. We are okay with this. Like, this is the main issue, mixed content fixer. If you are having this challenge, as you can see in this image right here, in these examples, this option will fix it. So that is all we needed. And so we have been able to successfully fix SSL mixed content errors in WordPress. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe to this channel, enable the notification bell, smash the like button, give me the thumbs up. It means a whole lot to me. If you have any other questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment box below. Until I come your way with another awesome video, it's bye-bye from WP Blogger.